Welcome to the How to series of Infraun Secura. Today, we will demonstrate how to add devices based on the agent installation in Infraun Secura. Navigate to the top right menu and click on the Download Secura agent. After downloading Infraun Secura agent, copy this application to the Windows device which you wish to add in Secura. Copy the organization key and Secura server IP. You will get to know the purpose of these two further in the video. We have copied the Infraun Secura agent application in the Windows device which we wish to add on Secura. We must install this application first to add into Secura. Double-click on the application. Click on the Next button. Click on the I agree radio button and click on the Next button. If you want to install it in different folder other than program files, click on the Browse button. If you want to install the Secura agent for your account only, click on the Just Me Radio button. Click on the Next button. Paste the organization key and Secura server IP, what we have copied in the video. Click on the Next button. Now click on the Next button to start the installation. Click on the Close button to finish installation. Now, click on the Show Hidden Icon button in the taskbar to confirm the running status of the Secura agent. Stay tuned for the next part of the video. Thank you for watching.